Welcome back to our YouTube channel, the Lilaloan Vloggers. In today's video, I gonna be doing a delicious watermelon. So, we need a material. First material, second, and then a evaporada and condensed. So, this is the ice and a knife and a spatula. So, first, we're gonna put this watermelon there. And my gosh. Someone's help, please. It's so hard.
A few moments later.
So next, we're gonna smash the watermelon. So satisfying. Yummy. I want the delicious watermelon. It's like an watermelon. Yummy. I need to eat this. It's so yummy. Oh my gosh. So, I think it's done. There's so many there. It's not smash. Smash! Smash! I think it is done, guys. I think it is done right. So next, we're gonna pour the condensed milk. Yee. So next, mix it well. Let's mix it well until it's Next, I think can't broke it. Ooh. Put it here. Ooh. There. Can you smash it? My dad will help me smashing that little icy rice. I think I'm gonna mix it. That's flying. So the parada is out because it's the condensed only. So the ice there. The ice is smashed. So now let's mix it. I think it's gonna turn yummy. So, spoon please. I want to taste that. It's yummy. I want to taste. I'm gonna try it first. Perfect. But it's not cold. So then first we're gonna try it for Lilaloan. It's for Lilaloan. They're gonna taste it. Very nice for Lilaloan.
Good.
There for Lilaloan. April.
Mommy.
Oh my gosh, it's good.
This is so yummy. I have ever
Get yours.
very big.
Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my god.
Nakuha
This
pala
for
is
me.
that.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Oh. They say it's yummy. I'm gonna try it.
Try this at home. Yummy.
So guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and click the bell so you can miss a new video. Bye!